Hi, I'm Dave O'Connor. I'm the Southwest District Bridge Engineer. Out today on bridge inspection up in Hickory County. We come out here every 24 months, look at the bridges throughout the district. Our goal is to try to make sure that we haven't got any significant deterioration that hasn't been identified previously, and that we identify all the problems with the bridge and we set up the necessary work items to correct those issues. My primary goal whenever I inspect a bridge is to ensure safety. I mean, that's what we're here for. We check a number of items, from the condition of the deck to the condition of the girders underneath the deck to the condition of the substructure, which is to support the abutments and the piers that support the girders. We also look at bank and channel issues that might affect the stability of the structure, or safety components such as the rail, the bridge rail, or the guardrail if there is one on the approaches. We use the information we get from these inspections to make decisions on prioritizing replacements or redecks or repair work. Is it the only way into an area? If this was a dead-end road and there were people who live down there and there's no other way in, you have to maybe do some things differently. Or the length of the detour, or is there a detour close at hand? Is it a 50-mile detour? I mean, those are all things that have to be taken into consideration as we make those decisions. We also look at things such as, can we restrict traffic on the bridge? Can we say, okay, we can put a load posting on the bridge so that the heavy vehicles don't go across, which those are the ones that typically concern us as far as weight limits. So we may put a posting on the bridge. 24 months is the maximum generally is the maximum on a routine inspection, on a general inspection. There are a few instances where we can exceed that, but we don't as a general rule. In the past, we've had bridges that were waiting to be replaced on Safe and Sound. We had one bridge that we were inspecting every 3 months. And right now I've got a bridge in Carthage that I'm inspecting on a very frequent frequencies. While the bridge doesn't seem to change much above, you can have pretty significant changes down below. One storm, one drift get caught in there the wrong way, we can get erosion that affects the overall stability of the structure. Typically the catastrophic failures historically have been caused by the erosion and the scour underneath the bridges that have caused failures. It all feeds back into the funding aspect of what we can do, when we can do it, how long we have to maintain this before we can do something to it to improve it. It's going to be harder and harder to find those resources to make these repairs. Definitely going to be something that in the whole maintenance division, we're going to be looking at how do we do that, and what are the criteria that we're going to use to make those decisions, when to close a bridge, when to load post a bridge, all of those issues that we're going to face. Unless we get some additional funding, those are the things that we're going to be facing in the future.